We're going out in the darkness of Italy to go and find some pizza. Somehow the Two Cowboys stumbled across this pizza festival in Naples. We'll have to check, but I think it's 40 different pizzerias of the different farms in the area that came together, and every year they do this thing. We got tickets. You get 3 margaritas, which is really the base class of how things work in Naples. Are you one of the best ones?
Speciale is this one.
Exactly. Okay, let's do margarita.
Crusty and thicker than the Napoli one. The crust only here, only in this town. No,
So
this is a Vico Equense style. Of
Better.
course.
Good.
Buonissima.
Buonissimo.
Bravo.
That's grazie. Yeah?
No, yeah. It's good.
Your first Naples pizza. Can you eat it every day?
Oh yeah.
We got 8 more to go.
Bellissimo.
So help me out. Which one's the better one? Is it this is the best one?
Yes.
We need a score here.
Oh, this one's better. I like this one more, yeah. I do one more.
Okay, one more.
Yellow tomatoes, provolone del Monaco, cheese,
Yeah.
and noci.
Right. So how many tickets do I need to do for that one?
1 for 1 piece.
This is a little town just south of Naples. They have many pizza ovens, the real thing. We're not messing around here. You got real fire there, you got real fire there, real fire there.
Real wood.
Real wood.
Olive oil.
I think it's olive wood.
Yeah.
Which makes it even. I mean, I get wet all thinking about it
I know,
because
because it's busy raining at the moment.
it's not raining yet. You need to take note here. This is what you need in Italy. I would like to know a little bit more about the festival. What can you tell me?
Non è festival, questo è far conoscere la pizza che
Sì.
qua al mondo, ok? Siamo bravi noi a fare la pizza, bravi.
Right. The best
Ok,
pizza
the
that
best
there is.
pizza.
Awesome. Good. How many years have you done this as a festival? 7.
7.
What pizza is your favorite? What flavor?
Margherita.
Exactly. There's no question about it. It's margarita. La birra or bibita? We'll ask a question in a minute. 1 beer? Small beer or big beer? A medium beer. This is your beer. Thank you very much, gentlemen. We're always jokers. We go around making fun of things, and we love because we promote people and we promote local. You cannot get it more local than southern Naples at a pizza festival where pizza margarita is celebrated with great pizza. But it's awesome to show the world that there's real food, real people. I have to say this,
They're out.
it's Monday evening.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. This is an awesome journey.